Hello EDU 114 students, my name is Michael and I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh-Carbon Community College. As learning specialists, we are key parts of your support network here, and we are located in the Educational Support Services area of the college. Our learning specialists can help you in a large variety of areas, and we can help you improve your success here at LCCC and beyond. For instance, I often help students with time management matters. Time management is essential for all your courses. For EDU students, balancing your courses and your observation and fieldwork requirements with everything else you have going on, excellent time management is a must. Also, I help students with test-taking skills, and as EDU students, you could have some very important standardized tests in your future. It's good to build those skills early. But you may need some assistance with all the note-taking you need for all your EDU courses. We can help you with that too. So here's our contact information. Reach out to us if there's anything that can help you to be successful here at LCCC. All the best.